This is the LinkTap wireless water timer. Thank you to the company for sending us this. You can connect this to any hose bib, and it gives you basically 2 stations to water your garden with. You can attach a hose, or you can even attach a drip system to it. It has a gateway that you connect directly to your router in your home, and then that will connect to the internet, and you can use the app to control this device remotely on your phone. The device and the app will also monitor the water use. So the great thing about that is if there is a problem and water is continuously coming out for some reason, it will shut off. This device will also monitor the weather, and so it can adjust your watering cycles depending on the weather. In terms of weather protection, this also does have a freeze protection. So if temperatures get too low and it's going to freeze, this will open up, allow water to pass through so the pipes don't freeze. It's a pretty simple setup. There's a couple of QR codes that you're going to scan. One is to set this item up on the network, download the app, and then also scan the QR code to add this device into the app. You can add up to 15 devices on the app, which allows you to control your entire watering plan in one spot. So in terms of the app and controlling this device, there are several ways to do it. You have an easy on-off on the item itself. So if you're at the valve and you want to turn it on, you just hit the button and it'll turn on. But on the app, you can set up all different kinds of watering plans. You can do it per day. You can pick the time. It is very versatile in terms of your specific watering plan, which is great. It has a ton of flexibility there in terms of how much water you want to provide, when, what time, and there is also an easy on-off on the app. One of the things that this valve allows you to do that I have not seen any other valves do is it gives you what they call an eco setting. So what this does is basically it will run the unit for a minute, turn it off for a minute, run it again for a minute for that 5 minutes. The great thing about that is that it keeps it from putting too much water, too much volume of water at one time. So it allows the water to kind of soak in a little bit, and then you provide a little bit more water on top of that. This is a quick shot of the app. It says Tap Linker 1, and there's a schedule that we have set up, and then there's Tap Linker 2. So you basically can set up the 2 valves independent of each other. You can turn it on right away, do instant watering. It asks you for how long. It'll even do by duration or by volume. So you can set the number of gallons that you want to go through the system. So it's very simple. You just create or edit a plan, and there's all different kinds of plan options that they have available. The installation of this is a very simple process. Basically just screw it on to your hose bib, and then attach your hose or your irrigation hose to the bottom end. So we're going to use the app to turn on the sprinkler. And so I've got it just set for a simple 5 minutes. I hit activate. It does have a 15-second countdown, and then the sprinkler will turn on. Watering on. So the cool thing is you get a nice alert that shows you that the watering is on. I really like this timer for situations where maybe you don't have a valve available, all you have is a hose bib. Super easy to attach and set up a watering plan for your garden.